or free, or the best case scenario is you get paid to buy the item. Hey my Skye Savers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is World of Skye, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today you guys, we're talking all about why you need to start couponing today.
Do you smell that?
Smells like money. Coupons can literally be a life-changing experience. It's simple. Coupons equal money. That's the math. Today we will be discussing 6 reasons why you need to learn how to coupon now. The first reason is that coupons can help you save towards a goal and make splurges more affordable. So let's say you want to buy something expensive like a new car, a house, or maybe you want to take a bomb vacation. Coupons can help you save money in other areas so then you can then take those savings and put it towards your goal. Okay, so let's say that you had budgeted to spend $200 on groceries this week, but with coupons you brought your total down to $100. You can now take that extra $100 that you saved from couponing and save it and use it towards whatever it is that you're looking to purchase. If you did this weekly for an entire year, you would have $5,200.
$5,200.
I mean, who wouldn't want to find a magical $5,200 to spend throughout the year? So can you see how coupons are just phenomenal and why you need to learn how to do this now? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's say that you're not saving up for any big ticket item. Couponing helps you save money on just items that you need to purchase every day anyway. You have to purchase essential items like toothpaste, laundry detergent, deodorant. So why not save money on those items you have to purchase anyway?
Why would you want to pay full price
when you don't need to? I feel like one of the worst shopping habits out there is paying full price, especially when you have coupons to use as a resource. You just don't have to do it. The third reason is that coupons help you stockpile your most used items at a deeply discounted rate. So what's a stockpile, you ask? It's simple. It's simply where you store all of the items that you have acquired using coupons and you store them maybe in your garage or your basement and you save them for later for when you need to use them. Personally, in my household, we call the stockpile the store. So if you ran out of something essential, you just head to the store and pick it up. Really convenient. To create and build your stockpile, what you do is instead of buying these items in bulk at full price, which is very expensive, you wait for the item to go on sale and then you use a coupon on top of the sale price. That is when you see some super savings and you can even get a lot of items for free 99. Yes.
Free. Completely free.
Who wouldn't want to do that? I love free stuff. Don't you love free stuff? So building a stockpile can be done at an extremely low cost if you just play your cards right and stack those coupons with the sales. Then you slowly start to build a stockpile. Even if you don't need those items right now, you'll need them in the future. And so you just continue to build your stockpile as you come across coupons and sales that you can match together for your maximum savings. So it's not just those extreme couponers that you see on the TV shows with these massive amounts of stuff in their basement and their garage. They're not the only ones that can do that. You can do it too. The fourth reason that you should start couponing now is that you can get your kids involved. So if you're a mom, get your kids involved and start teaching them the value of money now. So if you have young children, you can have them help you go through the weekly circular ad and kind of match the coupons with any items that they see in the ad. They'd love it. It's kind of like a fun matching game for them. So that's one way that you can get the younger kids involved. For older kids, give them a stack of coupons and tell them, here, go shopping, use the coupons appropriately. However much money you save using the coupons, you can actually keep for yourself. And watch, I bet you they quickly learn the value of those coupons and how to use them properly so that they can save money on the toiletries or the household items. And then you could save the money and then they'll be able to use that money on something fun or an item that they're looking to buy in the near future. The fifth reason you need to learn how to coupon now is that you can try new items at a very low risk, very low. So maybe you come across a high value coupon for a new laundry detergent or a mouthwash or makeup. Those are really good ones to coupon for. Makeup from the drugstore, there are a lot of awesome coupons where you ultimately will end up getting the item for like 99 cents or free, or the best case scenario is you get paid to buy the item.
Where does that happen at?
it happens in the couponing world. So as long as you don't have any allergies or any other issues that prevent you from using certain types of products or certain brands, try some new stuff out. All the manufacturer coupons are for brand name items, so they're not for generic or household brands. So that's a good thing. You can try some brand name items for a very low risk. Try some new items out. You may find some items that you absolutely love and they become staples in your household and your personal care routine. I know I have, and those things are now my go-to products all the time. One thing in particular that I found that I absolutely love is a new laundry detergent, and I found it through couponing. It's something I never would have tried if I wasn't couponing. I would have just stuck with what I was using before, but I actually was able to find something that I liked even better than what I was previously using, and it's been awesome, and I've been using it for years. So again, it's a great way to try those new items and find some new favorites, you guys, for a much more affordable rate. You might only pay, like I said, 99 cents or get some items for free, even better. So let me know below like what your favorite laundry detergent is. I'm curious to see, because I'm pretty certain that there's probably a coupon out there that you could be using to save a ton of money on your laundry detergent alone. And if you find an item that you don't love, didn't really work for you or your family, it's not really a big deal because you didn't pay that much for the item anyways. So just get rid of it or use it up and then don't repurchase it. But again, if you find something that you love that becomes a staple, you're winning. Okay, the last and final benefit that I'm going to share with you today, why you need to start couponing, is my absolute favorite reason why I coupon, and that is the ability to give back to others. When you coupon, you're able to acquire so much stuff. And sometimes you and your family cannot use all of the items before they either expire, or it's something that you don't use but it was too good of a deal to leave it on the shelf. Pick up those items and you can donate them to your communities. You can donate them to extended family, friends, college students, military. There's so many people that can use these items. And the benefit of you couponing is that you are the one that gets to help them. It is an amazing feeling and it is worth it. It is absolutely my favorite part. It really is. Okay, so if you're not convinced after all of that you need to start couponing, I don't know what else to say. But if you are interested in getting started and learning how to do this, I have a free online class called Couponing for Beginners. If you are now interested in getting started and learning how to do this and save thousands and thousands of dollars. Check the description box below for the link to get registered for the class. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are now wanting to get started with learning how to do this as well. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I post new videos every single week, and they're all focused on how to save you money in some type of fashion. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Happy saving!